Hey guys, welcome back to Solid Gold Fitness. Today we are so excited because we have international award-winning world record holding hula hooper Chi Chi Revolver in the house. She's gonna take us on a hula hoop fitness journey, okay? Esme and me, hardly any experience with the hoop, but it doesn't matter. We're just gonna give it a go, get sweaty and have loads of fun. You are gonna wanna do a warm-up before this, so hit the link in the box below and do a warm-up with us, then join us. It's gonna be awesome!
Grab your hoops, we're gonna come and do some cardio and arms. So standing in your hoop, hand on either side, shoulders back, deep breath, and off we go. We're gonna be doing twist jumps. So jumping, twisting that body, moving that hoop from side to side. Woo, that's it. Remember to breathe. There's a lot of cardio exercises in this one. Keep on going. Now, taking that hoop off. Out in front of you, hoop in your hands. We're lifting it up for a bicep curl. That's it. Squeezing as you come up. Up and down, working those biceps. Woo. Getting ready to go back to another cardio move in a moment. And hoops up. We're going to be doing jumping jacks. If that is too much and you're not feeling it today, you can tap out. That's fine, tapping the legs from side to side or going for that full jumping jack. Whew. We're going to get sweaty today. Nearly there. Then we're going to go back to the arms and we're going for triceps. That hoop's coming above your head. Keep those elbows in, bending at the elbows and straight up. Make sure those elbows are staying in, they're not spraying out. Up and down. That's it. You're doing good. Keep breathing. And then we're going to go back in a moment's time to another cardio move. Couple more triceps. Let's do one more after this. Last one. Now, holding that hoop out in front of you, we're going to do high knees. Again, if that's too much, don't worry. March on the spot. Just bring that knee up. Or the full thing. Woo. Lifting those knees up. This is the tricky one. This is tiring. It's hard holding the hoop out as well. Okay, just a few more. And come inside this hoop. We're going to push it up above our head. Up and down. A little moment to catch your breath. Up and down. Couple more. Then you're going to stand in your hoop. Ooh, we finished. How about that? Come and grab your hula hoop. We're going to be doing some on-body core hooping now. Don't worry if you drop it. Just pick it up. Spin it around, just have fun. Spin it around your body. You want to give it a good old push, engage your abs. That power is coming from pushing forwards and backwards. If you can, having your feet in parallel, try and relax your shoulders down. Remember to breathe, don't hold your breath. Get some oxygen flowing to those muscles. And now we're going to try and pump faster and faster. Keep going. See how fast you can pump that hoop. How you doing behind me? And slow it down. You're looking good. All right. Catch your breath. We're going to do that again. We're going to pump faster and faster and faster again. Are we taking off in the back? You all okay? And slow it down. Don't worry if you drop it. Just pick it up. Spin it around again. One more time. faster and faster and faster and slow it down. Okay, now we do have to work both sides. So it's time to stop that hoop and send it in the opposite direction. Now don't worry if this feels really weird, really alien. It's like writing. If you're right-handed, picking up that pen in your left hand is going to feel unusual. And it's the same with the hula hoop. But we want to work both sides evenly. You doing okay? Let's go. Faster and faster and faster and faster and slow it down. Woo! This is my wonky side. And again, faster and faster and faster and slow it down. How you doing behind me? It's hard work. And again, faster and faster and faster and slow it down. Woo! Woo! So come grab a mat for this one because we're going to be going down on the ground. Grab your hoop. We're doing glutes and abs. You ready? You ready? Yay! Okay. First of all, have that hoop down in front of you. We're going to be squatting. So keeping that weight in your heels, engaging your abs, down, squeezing your glutes as you come up. Looking good. Keep on going. We'll do a couple more. Ooh. Let's say 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Up you come. Hoop to your side. We're going to be lifting the leg behind. Again, keep that core tight. You're squeezing with your glute to get that leg to raise. Trying to count them so we do even on both sides. But I'm notorious for losing count. We'll do a couple more. I think we're on about 9 and 10. Do 12, 11 and 12. Now hoop to the other side. Same thing for this leg. Engage your core. Lift with your glute. About halfway. You're doing good. And we'll do 2 more. Great. Now, hoop up above your head. You're going to do a knee raise, taking it back into a lunge. So the knee comes up, hoop comes down to it, and you're lunging back. And don't fall over like I did. So knee up, hoop down, lunging back. That's it. Keep going. Sometimes I have terrible balance and wobble all over the place. And again, I'm no good at counting. So we'll do 1 more. That's it. And we'll turn around to the other side. I said do 1 more and we did 2 more, see? I can't count at all. So bringing that knee up, hoop coming down to it and stepping back. Woo! Can feel it in my legs. Couple more. I think we're on about 9. 2 more. Woo! Okay, I'm hot. We're going to do a curtsy lunge. So this hoop is going to make a big rainbow. And then we're lunging to the side. That's it. 4. Keep going. 2 more. Last one. Oh, catch your breath because we're going down on that mat. I'm hot. Okay, we're going to have this hoop on our legs, stopping it with the shoe, and we're going to lift up. We're going to do 10 on each side. That's 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 7, 8, 2 more. Last one. Woo. Other side. Okay. Ooh. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 10. Well done. Now we're down here. Let's get on to those abs. So laying down, feet up. You're going to reach up to the toes. Keep those abs engaged. Back down, flat against the ground. Squeezing as you reach up. And let's do 2 more. Now we're going to obliques. Holding that hoop in. Leaning back. You're going to turn and tap. If you want to make it a bit harder, you can lift those feet off the ground. That's it. Keep going. Woo! I'm getting sweaty. And we're done. Hey. I am hot. So grab your hoops. We're going to be working our arms with this. If you struggle with it, you drop the hoop, they fly around, don't worry, just pick it up. Come and join us. It's about having fun. We want to spin this over our hand, keeping my thumb separate like a little door, stopping it from going up the arm. We're spinning it. Getting ready to stick our hand out and out. And in. And out. Taking out the camera. And in. And out. Woo. And in. And we're swapping over to the other arm. How are you feeling? You all right back there? Sending it out. And in. And out. And in. Last one. And out. And in. Woo. We're losing hula hoops. It's all fine. And now we're going to try and do this up above the head. So bring in that hoop above your head. Arms straight up. Ooh. See if you can do a rotation round. Can we turn round? You're looking good. Yeah, you can. And getting ready to pump that hoop. Woo! Looking good. Can you bring that other arm up to join it? Woo! How you doing behind me? Are we there? And arm out. You're looking good. We're nearly at the end of the track. You're doing well. Arm in. And you're done. Hey! Well done.